Hey there, it's Tamika again, your favorite travel advisor. Now, I have a handy little thing that you should be carrying on all of in your carry-on bag. And I don't have a name for it, but it's just my little pill pack. And in this pill pack, it's more than just my emergency medicines that I have. But it has, of course, your ibuprofen, your Pepto, allergy medicine, Halls, anti-nausea, Tylenol, Benadryl, cold and flu, all the little things that you need to have in your carry-on and not packed. And this is the reason why, because let's say that you have a long layover, or your flight is canceled and you're stuck at the airport. This little thing comes in handy versus you having to go outside and buy those items from a store within the airport, because that gets really, really pricey really quick. And the goal of this is not to necessarily be your cure all, but it's just to get you through to the next phase of your travel. If you have to re-up or you have to buy some more, then when you get to that location that you're staying, then you can buy it then. Another little handy hack is that they all come with these little things that's already written on it, like it'll have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If you want to get rid of that, what I did is that I just take a pure acetone, just put it on some cotton and just wipe it off. And then I mark it with a permanent marker. And I have the name of the medicine, and then I also have the expiration date on it as well. And so I can always change it and, re-up as needed. And then also when I'm getting off of my vacation, I kind of leave this where, in my medicine cabinet. That way I can use these first, and that way I'm not wasting anything. But yeah, this is a handy trick. So make sure that you do this. Yeah, so like and follow for more pro tips from a pro travel advisor. Bye.